teach me how to appreciate something. In the past, I ever be stupid enough person because I always wasting my money. And then after a few months, I felt I terribly broken. And then my mom says, you have to learn about appreciate something, and you must mendahulukan
Prioritize.
something is most
Important.
important. After that, I never wasting my money for something that I think it doesn't matter enough.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you very much, Udin, for the time. Okay. Yeah, so it's about okay, thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Naval Azazibarawan and you can call me Naval. And I want to tell you about my experience to motivate me. So when I at school, I got bullying from my friend. So the bullying is I respect when coronavirus era.
Oh yeah.
So from that bullying, I got motivation to get stronger than before. So for you guys, don't decide if you got bullying from your friend. Make that bullying to your motivation to get stronger than before.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Bagus ya. Terima kasih Novel. Okay. Is that all?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Have a seat, have a seat. Okay. Thank you very much, Novel. You may give applause. Okay, so from Novel's story, I agree with this kind of story because bullying can damage someone else's mentality. So please don't bully your friends because maybe you think that it could be fun. Mungkin menurutmu ini menyenangkan ya kan dikerjani teman-temannya. Cuma kan kita nggak tahu, nggak semua orang itu mentalnya seperti Novel ya. Bagus Novel bisa jadikan itu motivasi, tapi kan tidak semua orang seperti itu. So I think it's better to stay away from bullying ya. Untuk stay away dari bullying. But you can prove yourself, you be better today. You look better, okay? Sudah gagah sekarang. Oke, bagus. Nah, itu contoh yang bagus dari dari mengelola emosi terhadap hal yang tidak menyenangkan. Okay. Good for you. Yeah, go on. Introduce yourself first. My name is.
I'm graduate from school. I am work in Semarang.
Oh, you work first.
I'm working cell phone.
Okay.
I'm in there just get salary, so basic.
Uh-huh.
And in here get salary one day just 25. But I need just not
Comfortable. Okay, I'm uncomfortable atau I don't feel comfortable. Yeah, comfortable.
I'm there just like maybe 1 day.
Okay,
No 1 day, 5 days.
5 days. Okay,
Yes.
then
And motivated in there. Saya
ya nggak apa sedikit-sedikit. Oke,
pelajaran
subjects
sukses
pelajaran sekolah atau bukan?
pelajaran
Oh, value that I can get, value atau something that I can learn
something I can learn to
from a failure.
from failure and knowledge. The best is experience.
Okay, and apa? Failure is the best experience. Okay, okay. So, is that all? Okay. I want Aditya to give me about the summary of this. What is it about? If you if you still do not know, you can ask him. Okay, you can confirm or clarify, and he will clarify. I mean, you can confirm and he will clarify something that you do not know. Yeah. Okay. Go on. What is your name?
I will tell something story about
Mm-mm.
sharing my current experience. A moment
Motivate.
me is when I had a accident that resulted in my leg being broken and made me feel a bit worse my parents because at the time I will going to university
Mm-hmm.
and at the time
You can use Indonesian language if you want. Regret, disappointed.
I regret myself.
Mm.
I not set my body and regret my parents.
Okay.
It's now motivate me to
Go beyond myself.
go beyond myself to in this campus for
Okay. So you say that you haven't prepared anything
yes.
for university life. So you got sick back in the day, then you received a bad result. Okay. But fortunately, untungnya Polytechnic Bumi Apriani still accept you here. Okay. So you have to do your best in this campus. Okay. Yeah, still accept me. Yeah, this campus believe that you can be better in this campus. Okay, thank you very much for the time, Zaki. Okay. So it is about failing. It's about failing. Actually, this is the second one to learn something about failure that you can get, but you have to think positively that when you fail, who are going to hold your hands. And he said that Polytechnic Bumi Apriani can hold his hand. So from this campus, he can do better. He will be better and go beyond himself. Okay. Thank you very much. I have got the same cases as you back in the day. I was failed in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, ya, di mana itu, Jogja, saya di luar kota lah. Okay, from Udin's story, is there anyone who can tell me about the theme? Only the theme. It's not about the summary or maybe what you can get the essence. No, about the theme. I want you to tell me about the theme. Naufal, tell me about the theme. The theme, temanya apa tadi kira-kira? Tentang apa toh? Apakah tentang memanfaatkan waktu dengan maksimal? Or what? It's about what? Yeah? It's about what, Tati? It's about what? Wasting? Wasting money. It's about wasting money for something that is not matters. Ya, suatu hal yang tidak penting. So we have to prioritize. Okay, so the theme is about prioritizing something. You need to prioritize something. Ya, jadi ketika kalian melakukan suatu hal, pikirkan dulu prioritasnya. Kira-kira apakah saya perlu ini? Dan kira-kira apakah ada prioritas utama saya yang belum terpenuhi? Okay, make sure that the first priority of yours has already been fulfilled. Sudah terpenuhi dulu. Then you can do whatever you want. Okay?
Here I want to tell you what experience to motivate me. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry if I have a story is on.
It's okay, no problem.
In the past, when I'm 16 years old in senior high school, I feel that my obsession was little bit because at the time I feel my obsession is lazy, very skinny, and maybe little stupid. And every night I'm hang out with my friend until my parents agree.
Okay. Then?
The point is I want to change about everything about me. Maybe because I'm coming closer to 20.
Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Irfan, you may have a seat. Is that all? Dah ya? Okay. Yeah, my pleasure. Nicholas, can you get what he said? What is it about? Yeah. Yeah, to make himself better. Yeah, okay. So you feel dissatisfied with himself from the past, ya, merasa tidak puas dengan masa lalunya. So he decided to move forward and change himself to be better. Okay, mirip-mirip dengan Naufal, Pak ya. Cuma Naufal dari kasus dibully kan. Kalau ini memang dari pribadinya yang ingin dirubah untuk menjadi lebih baik. Okay, thank you very much. Good question. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Suprindo Hidayat. My name Bingo. I tell you about
Experience.
My name was I was to wear the uniform at State Medicine School, but I kept really in the interest as different for other school like the Railway Academy, and I was the same major, and I worked as a waiter for a year. That graded like my lowest point, yet it became a turning point. My uncle gave me a powerful motivation. Is go to college first and make my parents happy.
Yeah.
And actually, I found a place that no and did it, but also build character and mental strength. In here, I improve skill and determine the job market.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much, Pringo, for the time. Okay, so from Pringo's story, or maybe Pringo's presentation, Udin, can you please?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Ringo will be repeat the point.
Kok gitu ya?
My main story is kegagalan tes sekolah, and I work in
As a waiter? Yeah, as a waiter.
bekerja sebagai waiter, dan saya mendapat motivasi dari
Paman,
ya,
go college first.
go to college first and make parents happy.
Okay.
Okay, I felt Ringo. In the past, Ringo work harder.
Mm-hmm.
And then his uncle give he motivate
Mhm.
to become nice person like college
Mm-hmm.
first. After
Okay.
that, maybe he will get
Better.
better appreciate from others and
Mhm.
for his life.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very. Yeah. Hello.
I will tell you about my
Disappointment. Yeah, disappointed experience boleh.
betrayed by a close friend.
Waduh.
But a person feels disappointed when a very close friend replaces them for personal matters to another friend, indicating a betrayal of trust.
Okay. So it is about, what is it about itu? Hah?
Motivasi
Ditutup yang rapat nang. Tutup yang rapat. Oke, thank you ya.
Being read by a friend can be accepting the one as a process of swift maturation.
Ya, self maturation.
Having the betrayal as a reflection of the better character, and seeing it as an opportunity
Ya.
to set better boundaries for the future,
Ya.
as well as rediscovering the strength to forgive and trust healthy friendships.
Ya, oke. Thank you very much Kamaludin. Kamal. Ya, terima kasih. Okay. So it is about being betrayed by a close friend. Dari sahabatnya dia mengkhianati dia. Oke. Waduh. But Kamal here use it not as a reason to maybe to take revenge, to take revenge or have a vengeance. No, he doesn't do that. He didn't do that, and he didn't think about that too. He used it as lesson not to easily trust someone. Okay, not to easily trust someone, to make a better boundaries in the future. So when you have got a boundaries in the future with your friends, make sure that you do not trust him 100%. 70 it's okay. But 100% no. I don't think that you have to do that 100%. Because the only one who you can trust is yourself. Okay? Cuma diri kalian sendiri. Teman kalian, oke, enggak apa-apa. Kita bantu, kita temenan, oke? Nanti kalau ada kesulitan kita bantu juga, tapi jangan dipercayakan 100% hidupmu untuk dari dia gitu. Oke? Oke, Bagas.
will tell you about my experience and that's my best. The thing I regret most in my life is in my study time. During that time, I intended to provide fitness, achievement, and with my best effort in my study. As a result, I my opportunities.
Okay, louder, please. Louder.
I don't have achievement.
Okay. Okay. So what is it about Raffi Nur? Yeah, Raffi Nur ya.
Yes.
What is it about? Tell me about that. What is it about? Nang apa toh? You can confirm and he can clarify. Go on.
Can you
Not repeat. Do not repeat. Only for the essence. Only the essence. The most important one. Tell him about that. Poinnya aja. Yang paling penting apa?
Yang paling saya sesali adalah kurangnya keseriusan saya dalam memanfaatkan waktu belajar karena sering menunda saya.
Okay, ya. Procrastination, ya, menunda-nunda pekerjaan, bermalas-malasan. So, you are going to do? What are you going to do after this? Go on, tell him about that. He said that it's about procrastination atau menunda pekerjaan, being lazy. Then, what value that you can get? Apa yang bisa kamu pelajari dari hal tersebut? Go on.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Aditya Gunawan, and I am in Yoga Active. And I want to tell me my story and my motivation. I refuse no studying seriously because I want to be a engineer student. In the past, when I was in high school, I was naughty kid and I was someone who very studied. I think I'm kalau murid yang bodoh itu berpikir saya murid yang bodoh dulu.
Oh yeah, thinking stupidly.
Yes, dan motivasi saya sekarang.
And my motivation today.
Motivation and now is make and what motivates me now is to make the best out of time because
best use of time.
Because time cannot be turned back.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much Adit for the time. Okay, ini berarti mirip sama tadi siapa ya yang bermalas-malasan, Bagas ya? Ya mirip sama Bagas tadi berarti. Okay. Thank you very much. Siapa yang sampai sekarang juga nih? Oke, Adit yang satunya lagi siapa? Ini ya belakangnya. Itu ya. Oke, so what is it about? Tadi udah tak kasih tahu, ya coba dikasih ditanya. Pakai bahasamu sendiri aja. Soundman. Soundman. Kamu dari Jawa Timur? Ya. Pati enggak Jawa Timur atau apa Condorek? Condorek kan Jawa Timur kan? Jawa Timur kamu ya? Iya, sampai Pati ada. Oh. Kamu usaha son? Enggak. Dia bermalas-malasan dulu, usia menyesal karena hasilnya nggak maksimal. Ayo.
When I matters in the past, was having a small body and market tournaments across into motivation is when I was in junior high school, my friend was because I was small and I become less confident and I try to thanks my life by going to the gym. After thank you, my body was done to that when I entered high school and that made me even more confident.
Yeah, my pleasure. Okay, you may have a seat. Okay, what is it about? What is it about? Gak apa, ngomong aja apa yang kamu dengar. Apa yang kamu dengar? Hadip? Ya, it's okay, enggak apa-apa.
Dulu dia pernah tweet dan menjadi konfident itu menjadikan dia menjadi sekuritasnya.
Oh yeah, okay. So he was bullied for having small body. Also, you have got the same story with Naufal, berarti ya. Cuma bedanya kalau ini kekecilan, yang ini kegedean gitu. Ya. Then you try your best to better yourself. Yeah, bettering yourself make you be a better person. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Go on.
Hello my friends. One thing that makes me regret in the past, before I will tell my experience, I used to study at public university, majoring in health.
Oh, where is it? Where was it? Di mana?
Universitas Muhammadiyah.
Oh, ya, oke.
But while studying, I left. I couldn't manage my time. I couldn't save my money, and I even feel like promiscuity until finally my parents moved me to this campus. Until now I can be disciplined, manage my time, and I have checked for the better.
Oh yeah. Thanks. Cool, bagus. Is that all? Okay, yeah, good parents. Okay, you can have a seat. You can have a seat. Yeah, thank you very much. Resnanda. Okay, so everyone, it is the example of good parents. They know better for their child. Mereka tahu apa yang terbaik untuk anaknya. Anaknya itu kurang disiplin ya kan? Kurang disiplin, buang-buang waktu, buang-buang duit, ya duit orang tua juga gitu kan ya. Tapi akhirnya taruh di semi militer supaya disiplin. Ya benar sih, tidak apa-apa sih. Berarti orang tuamu percaya akan hal tersebut ya kan. Jadi disiplin di sini jangan sampai mengecewakan orang tua ya. It's okay. Karena ini tujuannya untuk kebaikanmu juga ya kan. You're not living your parents' dream, but it is your dream. Your parents know about your dream, so that's why they send you here. Do your best, okay? Okay, thank you very much. Next. Yeah. Tell me about yourself first.
Hello friends, I want to tell my story and my regret. Back then when I was still in school, I always spent my money for headphone. But now I realize if I had saved it, it could become something valuable.
Yeah.
Saving money is really important because I can save it for emergencies, or if enough, I can invest it now.
Ya, oke. Thank you very much Andika. Ya, singkat padat. Saya dapat materinya juga apa? Oke. Rehan coba. Could you please tell me about what you can get from his presentation? Yeah, only the point, not all of them. It's okay. It's about what? What is it about? It's about? Okay, you say that he felt regret that he wasted a lot of money, and when he got into an emergency situation, he didn't have any money at all, so he regretted. He tried to. Then, what did he try after that? What he is going to do? Okay, go on.
I can tell you my experience.
What is your name? Introduce yourself first. Hello everyone, my name is. What is your name?
My name is Garcia Densa. Kami Rizky. I can tell you my experience like to pick when I was in school. But one day I was out fighting and was taken to the principal office. Then my parents came and I was scolded to death. After that accident, I stopped fighting until now because I don't want to disappoint my parents anymore.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for the time. Risky. Okay. He said that he used to fight a lot with his friends, or maybe someone he didn't like. Suka berantem. Then one day the principal called him to his office, okay, and her parents went there and scolded. Scolded itu dicaci maki, apa betul? Or maybe you have got another word choice. Apakah betul scolded itu dicaci maki? Benar. Kata-katanya itu. Oh ya, wah ngeri juga. Okay, being scolded, then he tried to be better, not to fight anymore. But to defend yourself, you have to fight, of course. Ya, nah, jangan bilang nggak berantem. Maksudnya menyelesaikan masalah tidak selalu dengan berantem, oke. Tapi kalau ada hal yang perlu ya go on, it's okay. It is a defense mechanism. Ya, itu adalah defense. Louder. Support. Okay, thank you very much for the time, Nicholas. Okay, it's about being grateful and give feedback to those who support you.
My name is Rafi. The thing that made me regret in the past was that I didn't listen to my parents' word. I was not allowed to swim in the sea, but I didn't listen to my parents and did it. In the end, something undesirable happened. I was stung by a jellyfish until I almost did.
Oh, waduh, bisa gitu ya?
Very regret.
Okay, thank you very much for the time, Ravi. You may have a seat. Okay. Okay, I didn't expect that a jellyfish could be that dangerous. I got stung too by a jellyfish when I was a kid. Bukan young lagi tapi kid. Pernah karena I saw a jellyfish and I ya bodohnya anak kecil ya dipegang ya. Aduh. Itu sakitnya minta ampun loh. Dikasih di pasir gini-gini, wah lama sekali itu. Nangis kecil waktu saya masih kecil. Tapi itu jellyfish, what kind of jellyfish is that?
Experience story with you. It was actually the opposite of novel story. Novel used to be bully, which motivated him to change. But I was
The bully.
the one who bullied
Waduh.
at school. From there, I started to think how long will I keep doing such wrong things. That's why I made up my mind to change and take a better path. Come on, friend, let's change together. Move forward without pushing other aside. Rise without putting anyone down.
Wah, kata-katanya bagus. Tepuk tangan dulu dong. Oke. Yeah, welcome. My pleasure. Okay. He said that he was the bully. Okay. Ya, nggak apa-apa. It's okay to better yourself. Mengakui kesalahan itu apa sifat kesatria. Bagus kalau berani mengakui kesalahan. Dulu sebagai bully mungkin ya. Sekarang duduk temanan sama apa orang yang korban bully ya kan. Dan kamu bisa tahu rasanya seperti apa itu dibully gitu kan di sini. Nah, from this story we can get a lot of lesson that we can learn from the bullying and from those who get bullied. Okay, and everyone I like that everyone try to be better for the future, for the better future, and regret. Okay, accept the past and move forward. It's okay. Go on.
As you said, my name is Demar Sapita, you can call me Sidam. And there, I want to tell you something about my experience.
Yeah.
I was so wasting time to not existing until a moment I'm regret because I'm modified with familiar friends which don't know the regret until I'm trying little by little to forming an athletic body.
Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for the time, Shildam. Yeah, Udin. What is it about? What is it about? Okay. What is it about?
Now is being
Yeah.
how to say
Rajin, diligent.
is more diligent than in the previous time, and then he always do some workout and make his body aesthetic.
Okay, thank you.
My name is Daripada Putra, you can call me Aden. I want to tell you something about my experience. When I was child, even so my friends were buying and was to help my grandpa take care of the chickens himself. I feel anxious, but after the chicken were sold, grandpa give me some of the money. That moment made me realize that I could earn my own money at a young age. The part end independent, I feel I'm digitally remove the fee because I felt by step using the money I earn myself.
asking my parents.
Yeah, okay. So what is it about? What is it about?
Please replay your at your point.
Ya poinnya ya, jadi saya tuh waktu kecil saat ada yang beli ayam itu adik saya kasih uang ke saya, jadi saya tuh merasa kayak di saat umur saya kecil saya bisa ngasih uang gitu.
Yeah, good.
Dan bisa jajan sendiri dan nggak minta.
Good. So, what is it about?
Hardworking
Mm-mm.
and then membantu
Helping
yes,
his grandpa.
grandpa.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, Ray.
Sir, my name is Raihan, and I will tell my experience. Sometimes when I in elementary school, I don't listen my parents before join football school, and I regret when I entered junior school because because I joined junior school in boarding school.
Oh yeah, okay. Pondokan.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
and I regret because
I cannot.
no, because I used to have a dream for about to become a football player.
Okay. So you didn't listen your parents to join a football club?
Yes.
Oh. Disuruh ikut football club tak mau gitu ya. Oh, jarang-jarang ya. Okay, thank you very much Rehan for the time. Okay, so ya boleh